Hello, good morning. Rohan Borkar, student of MBA first year, Division B, Siongad Institute of Management. I'm here to present a topic of digital business, and the name of my topic is e-tailing business model. So, let us start with the presentation. So, the name of my topic today is e-tailing business models. Let us first look at what is electronic retailing or e-tailing. E-tailing or electronic retailing is a sale of goods and services through the internet. So, e-tailing is nothing but sale of goods and services not in a physical form but on the internet. That's why it is called e-tailing or e-retail or electronic retailing. E-tailing includes a business to business or a business to consumer sales of products and services. E-tailing requires the companies to tailor their business models to capture uh, internet sales, which can include building out distribution channels such as warehouses, internet web pages, and product shipping centers. So, an e-tailing business model is based on the three important factors, one of which is having an efficient um, distribution channels, which will help the companies to deliver the products successfully to the consumers. Therefore, a strong distribution channels are critical to electronic retailing as these are the avenues that move the products to the consumers. Key takeaways can be uh, electronic retailing is a sale of goods and services through the internet. Electronic retailing or e-tailing can include business to business and a business to consumer model for sales of products and services. Amazon.com is by far the largest online retailer providing consumer products and subscriptions through its website. Many traditional stores, also called as brick and mortar stores, are investing in e-tail through their websites. Let's move ahead. Let's look at how does e-tailing work. So as you can see, e-tailing includes a broad range of companies and industries. However, there are similarities between the most e-tailing companies. They include an engaging website, online marketing strategy, efficient distribution channels for production services, and customer data analytics. Successful e-tailing requires a strong branding. Their websites must be engaging, easily navigable, and regularly updated to meet the consumers' changing demands. Products and services also need to stand out from the competitors' offerings and should add value to customers' lives. So, as you can see, branding is what makes a successful e-tailing business, and their website must be user friendly, must be easily accessible, and must be regularly updated through changing customer needs. Also, a company's offerings must be competitively priced so that the consumers do not favor one business over another just for price reasons. Retailers need distribution networks that are prompt and efficient, as consumers cannot wait for long periods for the delivery of their products or services. Again, as we saw earlier, efficient distribution channels are one of the most important factors of a successful uh, retail business, as the consumers have multiple options and they are not going to wait for a delivery of their products or services. There are many ways a company can earn online revenue. Of course, the first income source is through the sale of their products to consumers or businesses. Both B2C and B2B companies can earn revenue by selling their services through a subscription based model, such as Netflix, which charges a monthly fee for access to media content. Now, let's see a type of electronic retailing or e-tailing. B2C retailing, business to consumer. Business to consumer retailing is the most common of all e commerce companies and most familiar with the internet users. This group of retailers includes the companies selling finished goods or products to consumers online directly through their websites. Their products could be shipped and delivered from the company's warehouse or directly from the manufacturer. One of the primary requirements of a successful business to consumer retailer is maintaining good customer relations. Business to business retailing. Business to business retailing involves the companies that sell to other companies. Such retailers consult software developers, freelancers, and wholesalers. Wholesalers sell their products in bulk from their manufacturing plants to the businesses. These businesses in turn sell their products to consumers. In other words, a B2B company, such as a wholesaler, might sell products to a B2C company. Now, let us look at advantages and disadvantages of e-tailing. Let us first look at the advantages. E-tailing includes more than just e-commerce only companies. More and more traditional stores are investing in e-tailing. Infrastructure costs. Infrastructure costs are lower with e-tailing versus and physical operating stores. Companies can improve their products faster and reach the larger customer base online with traditional physical locations. Retailing allows the companies to close unprofitable stores and maintain the profitable ones. Automated sales and checkout cut down the need for staff and sales personnel. Also, website costs less than a physical stores to open, staff, and maintain. Retailing reduces advertising and marketing expenses as the customers can directly find the stores through the search engine or social media. Data analytics is a gold mine for retailers. With data analytics, consumer shopping behavior can be tracked to determine spending habits, page views, and length of engagement with the product, service, or web page. Effective data analytics can decrease lost sales and boost client engagement, which can lead to increased revenue. These were some of the advantages. Now let's move on to the disadvantages of e-tailing. There are disadvantages to running an e-tailing operation. Creating and maintaining an e-tailing website, while less expensive than a traditional retail location, can be expensive because infrastructure costs can be substantial if the warehouses and distribution centers need to be built to store up and ship the products. Also, adequate resources are necessary to handle online returns and customer disputes. Also, e-tailing does not provide an immersive emotional experience that physical stores can offer. This is one of the disadvantages of e-tailing is that excuse me is that um, these e-tailing stores fail to provide a physical experience of the product to the consumers. Moreover, personalized customer service and interaction can be an advantage to physical stores only. So, let us see some examples of e-tailing business models. First is Netflix, which is an online streaming services, and the second is known by everyone, Amazon, which is the world's largest e-tailing website. Let's look at some more examples of e-tailing. Amazon.com is the world's largest online retailer, providing consumer products and subscriptions through its website. Alibaba Group is China's largest retailer, which operates an online commerce business throughout China and internationally. Alibaba has adopted a business model that not only includes both B2C and B2B commerce, but also connects the Chinese exporters to the companies around the world looking to buy their products. Now, let us see difference between e-tail and e-commerce. E-tail or e-retail is a subset of e-commerce, meaning that 100% of e-tailers can say that they are an e-commerce business, but an e-commerce business does not necessarily do e-retail. Aside from e-retail, e-commerce sites deals with more extensive range of activities including electronic financial services like online banking, investing and money management, management of supply chain online, hosting of web services like Bluehost and GoDaddy. There are content management systems like WordPress or Joomla. There are also a number of digital marketing platforms, and there are also a data collection systems. All these come under e-commerce. So, from the above list, we can say that e-commerce has a greater scope than e-tailing. So, let us see how to get started with an e-tail business model. A common thread with e-tail companies is having an attractive product, an engaging website, and a digital marketing strategy and customer data analytics. Since number one, attractive product. Since site is the primary way of online, an online retailer can showcase the product. The company should invest efforts into making it appealing to the consumers. Number two is engaging website. Right from a home page, provide beautiful, professionally made images. You can also include chatbot technology on the site so that customers can feel free to ask questions. Then, number three is a digital marketing strategy. SEO, that is search engine optimization, mobile apps, targeted emails, and social media can be an inexpensive omni-channel digital marketing strategies. Another effective method is to promote your branding and products is influencer marketing partnerships. So what you can do is you can part take up a partnership with an social media influencer and request them to test your products and promote it on their social media if they genuinely enjoy it. There are several options for compensating an influencer, including money payment in free products or special discounts. And the one of the most important feature is data analytics. Data analytics is an essential for creating personalized customer experience. For example, you can use past purchases to make product recommendations on the homepage. You can use information from shopper behavior to create targeted emails. Properly analyzing data can help the make business decisions, such as closing a store at a location that isn't profitable or investing more in the places that are. So, in conclusion, today's consumers can interact with retailers through multiple channels simultaneously. The e-tailers must deliver a seamless customer experience across all of these channels to stay ahead with the competition and gain loyal customers. Optimizing team of expert can help business enhance their website with testing, provide analytical tools, and understand customer expectations, and much more. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. This was my presentation on the topic of e-tailing business models. Thank you.